Hello and welcome to the first video of the series, How to Build Your Own Web Page. In this video I wanted to go through and explain what we're going to cover in this first video series. Now I want to make sure that you do understand this is not a professional web page building course. What this is this is what I have found to be the quickest, the most efficient way for anybody, regardless of your computer skills, to get themselves online and to do so in a manner that you're pleased with, in a professional manner. Now, in order to do that, it's necessary for us to learn some simple web skills. And the quickest way that I have found to learn these web skills is we're going to build our own web page. Now, in order to do that, we're going to need web page building software. And for that, I have chosen Kompozer. Now, Kompozer is open source, which is free, which is always a good thing. It's a great little piece of software, and that's what we're going to do in the first video of this series. We're going to walk through together where to find and how to download Kompozer. Once we have downloaded it, it's on your computer, and we're both working with the same software. Then in the second video of the series, we're going to open up Kompozer, get familiar with it, go through all the functions that we're going to need in order to build our web page. And then in the third video of the series, we're going to dive right in and start building our web page. In this video, we'll go through how to make tables, how to put colors around a table, how to work with the different text and the different font, and then we will go through how to transfer images between folders. And we're going to need these images because in the next video in the series, we will insert these images on our web page. We will go through how to align the text around the images, make your page look as neat and clean as possible. And then the following video, we're going to go through 4 of the common hyperlinks, or links as most people call them. Now in the next video, this is where it gets interesting. Actually, this is where it gets fun. I'm going to show you where to find what is known as a web page template. Now if you don't know what these are, if you've never seen one of these before, then what they are professionally made web pages. And the nice thing about this is that they are HTML, which means that we can download one of these, drag these right into Kompozer, the web page building software. And then by using the same skills that we've just went through in building our own web page, we can edit these professionally made web pages, and we can personalize them and make them our own. And this is really gives you a huge advantage, and it saves a heck of a lot of time in trying to get yourself online and doing so and looking like a professional. Now in addition, in this video I'm going to introduce you to another software that I found, and it's called Xheader. Now Xheader is a great little piece of free software, and it does more than just the obvious, which would be to make headers. It's a great graphics software that is going to really, which will amaze you what you can do with some of the images that you have on your computer now. In this video, we'll grab one of the free headers that comes with the program, and we'll edit it, we'll personalize it, and in this video we're going to install it both on the web page that we built and the template that we have downloaded. And in the final video in this series, we'll go through some need-to-know tips, a recap on everything that we've went through, and then you can move on to the next series. So there's a lot coming at you, and if you haven't done so up to this point, then please make sure that you have signed in one of the opt-in forms on my home page. There's one right here, and there's one down at the bottom, and that way we can get started right away. I'm going to be the host of all the videos. My name is Scott. This is my website, and we'll see you in a few minutes and we can get started. Thanks for stopping by.